we want to help businesses, and we realize that all of our businesses in this 11-county region that we all serve really have some of the same struggles and issues, and we want to be able to train them better to help them to overcome some of those issues that they're facing. And so what we do is we come together, we get resources, we send out outreach coordinators to help people and train them on site. We do monthly academy trainings so that businesses and employers can learn how to be better at retaining, training, and maintaining everybody in the workforce. My name's Kenley Steck. I'm with FutureReady Utah. It's a grant program for the next 5 years that is sponsored with Utah Tech University, Southern Utah University, and Snow College. This is a grant through the Economic Development Administration that we applied for as this collaboration of effort between our 3 institutions. So we applied for the grant, and so now we are funded for the next 5 years. And so then we in turn just turn it around and say this is a free program for everybody. In rural Utah, sometimes we just don't have access and people don't know where they can go. Financial services and banking is an option. Training services that people need to upskill in manufacturing areas or something like that, or aerospace or information technology. Sometimes we just don't have that in our region. And so we're coming together so that we can provide resources across this whole thing. So if something Snow College has works out for somebody in Cedar City, then let's figure it out and make it happen. So to register, people can visit the website, which is southernutahbusiness.org. And we'll have a place there where people can apply for the program and see what other resources and education is available.